Welcome to Trader Training Tuesdays. I'm Cheryl.
And I'm Mike. So last week we did Andy's final lecture on how to do chart patterns, and this week we are going to do his actual test on how to make money using his previous 3 lessons. Now, just to be clear, we did really well in all of them, so technically we should be able to trade perfectly well. Yes? Okay. I like your confidence. Let's go. Okay, so here's a brief recap. What is a chart? How to adjust time frame. How to adjust zoom. How to find parents. I'm sure you can remember all of this.
Okay.
Next.
Test. In the following slides, you'll be presented with a few projects. Using what you have learned, you will need to decide on what action to take.
Alright.
Number 1, will you buy now? Number 2, if you decide to buy, what is your entry price? Number 3, if you plan to buy or not buy, give at least 2 reasons why.
At least 2 reasons. So we're just going to give 2.
Yep.
Okay. So assumption, ignore the fundamental analysis for these projects. That's easy. Disclaimer. Crypto Grinders is not liable for any potential trades taken. This is not financial advice, but purely for educational purposes. Did he really have to read this? Alright, let's go. Yes, I am.
We.
Okay, yes we are.
OCN/BTC. This is the pairing, and
this is the pairing. Okay, so let's head over to our chart and see how it looks like.
So right now we're on Coinergy, and we have to switch to the Binance.
Binance?
Yep, Binance Exchange.
Type in OCN.
OCN.
Okay, go back.
Go back.
Binance. Are you sure it's Binance?
Oh, sorry, it's Huobi.
Wow, good thing I have you at my back. OCN BTC.
Yep.
Here we go.
Got it.
Okay.
Right.
First things first.
So we
time
need to change
frame,
the
please.
period. 4 hours. Yep.
Okay, that looks magnifique.
Wow.
Okay, I'll delete it. I didn't know what it was. Never mind. Okay, so next, would I buy into this?
Okay, wait. Where we have to look at the
last area.
The very end.
Okay, I like to look at the big picture first. Okay,
Okay.
so this looks like a big sink.
Yep, it's a prevailing downtrend.
Only
And
one way
then-
to find out. Okay, learning what we did last week, right? We draw trend lines, we click once, and then we just...
Try not to cut any candles.
This just doesn't seem possible.
Yeah. How about like
A free fall now.
yeah, and then once it breaks, and then we draw another one.
Okay, too small. This doesn't look like a trend line at all. Hands on. Okay, how do we go back to that side? Oh, right. Okay, so this is where we started from, right? The all-time high.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm going to delete that, please. So starting to here.
Okay.
Yes?
Yep.
Full agreement. You can draw it all the way down here.
Yeah. We'll cut a little bit. Just a little bit.
And then according to his logic, once we've cut it once,
You have to draw another one.
redraw it. Great. No, we wanted to redraw it more. Huh.
That works.
Oh, I can
Stretch
extend
it.
it even more. Okay.
I guess you have to draw another one.
Here.
What?
Alright.
Can you zoom out to see how it looks like?
Okay. Downtrend.
Downtrend.
And then now we start drawing in
Uptrend.
trend. No, it could always be a consolidation. Oh, that's a very
Slight uptrend.
no, that just went really high, really fast.
It's exponential.
Are we doing this wrong? Okay, so we'll draw another up here. And then he'll tell us that since it broke, we have to draw another up. And then, did
The
it
one
break?
that's very sharp. Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then we draw another up.
Yep. Actually,
There has got to be something wrong with the way we're doing this. Okay, I'm going to move this last line and change it. Dun, dun. Perfectly wrong. Yes?
I guess.
We?
Well,
It kind of feels like we're just tracing a circle.
okay, let's zoom in on the very last candle.
Okay. As we know from candles, this means that it started here, it closed here, it tried to go really, really high, but it failed. Right? And this is the doji spinning top.
Doji, right?
I would say spinning top, but alright.
So it's a very
technicalities.
tiny
Indecision candle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Reversal candle.
Potential reversal candle. Okay, and then this is a big red candle.
Yeah.
Which means that
It's bearish. Right?
I think so.
Because it's a reversal. Wait.
Yes. And also, like, look at how fast it went up. Everything that goes up must come down equally fast, according to.
Mike's theory.
Sure, let's give me credit for that. Why not? Okay, so there is no head and shoulders. If anything, this would be a wedge. Right.
From the trend lines.
Okay, wait, let's draw another one. Drawing channels now.
You have to draw multiple times, I guess.
Or we could just cheat and do this. Ta-da! See?
It cuts through the candle.
So it touched 1, 2, 3, and then it cuts through. Then we redraw again. Ha!
Okay.
Yeah, that looks horrible.
Zoom out.
It's really like we're just tracing a circle.
What is happening?
Okay, let's just ignore everything before that, right? Because
Why? Okay, wait. Let's see what it is. Because it's not even a daily chart. It's a 4-hour chart, so it's
okay.
faster, right?
So first we have a big downtrend, downtrend, then a less steep downtrend, but
So it's
still
losing
a
momentum.
downtrend.
And
Yes.
then it is a very quick uptrend. Like a very steep
Okay, so
uptrend.
let's say we were to link these. Yes? So at the start here, we could say that we had a triangle.
Really?
But then a triangle normally tend to squeeze inwards.
Yeah, I'm confused. No, there are two kinds. It was classified with the bullish rectangle and the bearish rectangle. Remember?
Pendant?
Yeah, the flag thing.
Okay, okay. So let's say we have this, which we take it as a good sign. One line here, one line here.
That was a neutral.
No, we just say it's bullish. Okay, so once we drew this, I'm going to delete this off. Delete this. And delete this. It's getting far too messy. Delete. Delete. And I don't even think this counts as a line. Delete.
It's a line.
Okay. So it broke. Then we'll zoom in. Okay, if it breaks, then we redraw.
But technically, if I were just to look at the last two candles, it's going down,
Yes.
right? And the last candle is not a reversal candle, right?
This candle is a reversal candle, though,
Yeah.
the second last.
But the last candle is not. So I feel like it will continue going down, which would make me want to not buy in at this time
Okay.
because prices will drop.
But if you were to buy in, where would you buy? I do not even see a single pattern here that we can use.
Can we zoom out again? Is there some kind of hit and nope?
No, not even close, no. Okay, I guess our answer is no, we don't want to
won't
buy.
it.
If we don't want to buy, it's number one, we can't spot a trend line. And number two, it looks like
It looks like
goes
prices
to-
will go down.
Based
continue
on the
going
last
down.
two candles.
Yeah, just the last two candles.
Right? Okay, so now we turn to a residential expert. Andy! For OCN BTC, we have decided to
Not buy it.
not buy.
That's correct.
Yeah.
Why do we not buy? And also we drew too many trend lines, it doesn't make sense anymore.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so one of the reasons why you cannot really buy is because it's parabolic movement, and you never know when this trend is gonna end.
That was never
Yeah,
in the
that
slides.
doesn't sound
What's
like a
parabolic?
keyword.
Yeah, it's basically it means that it has moved up so much that you know a correction of take profit will happen, and so yeah, you can't exactly.
How would we draw a trend line? Okay, we got a triangle.
Yeah, that's nice.
We couldn't draw a line to this because it doesn't make any sense. So we drew halfway, it cut, and then we couldn't draw a second one.
So this is a breakout pattern. When you have a breakout pattern, you cannot really chart, and therefore it's impossible to chart. So the two main reasons is one is parabolic movement. So traders will start taking profit. So you see red candle.
Yeah.
Second reason is because there's no way to chart it. A
So
breakout,
we were right,
breakout you
kind of.
can never
Right,
chart.
you can't chart.
You can't chart a trend line.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay.
All right, be right back.
Okay.
Good
Well,
job.
Yay.
we decided not to buy it because we couldn't buy what we couldn't understand, and also we couldn't draw it.
Yeah.
We couldn't see any chart patterns, and if we're playing with real money, we don't want to risk it on our skills. Well, not yet anyway. But based on what we know, it was a bad idea to buy, and we were right. So therefore, we are good traders. Okay, so next week Andy has said he's giving us another one, which will be even harder, something that is not as obvious to spot because it looked pretty dangerous to buy in at that point, right? It had
Yeah.
gone up really, really high and it ended off with a very big red candle. So he's trying to find something that's a bit more challenging because we are just too smart for this. Okay, see you all next time.
Bye.